Hey, what's up everyone? Game Dad here, and the day has finally arrived because I was on the later shipments of stuff, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max is here, and I figured we would do a quick unboxing, quick little like first impressions of the new phone. I skipped iPhone 14 because I didn't see enough of a difference, and my current one before this was the 13 Pro Max, but I'm excited to open this up, see how it feels in the hand. It's supposed to be a lot lighter, and just show you all what comes in the box. So be a short and sweet video. So let's get this cracked open and see what it looks like when you unbox the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So here is the box in all of its glory. As is typical with any kind of iPhone packaging, it is super simple. It does have the little bit of a raised image, an embossed image on there, but you can also tell it is very skinny. These don't come with chargers. They come with a cable, but they do not come with the actual charger. So that's annoying, but is what it is. Been that way for a few generations now. Let's go ahead and crack this open. I do know one of the key differences is finally Type-C. Oh, it is so annoying having lightning cables for so many different things when I have a ton of Type-C cables for everything. And there it is. So, as you can see, I went with the white on the phone. So, I just wanted something simple, something easy, and I got a ghost case coming from D-Brand, should be here in the next few days, but yeah, went with the nice white phone. As you can see there, they also did a color embedding into the glass now. They infused it in some different way to make it a little bit fancier. And there we have our braided Type-C cable. Let's see, how big is that cable? My guess is probably 3 feet based on this coil. This is, yeah, that's about a 3-foot cable. So, not great, not horrible. It's fine for plugging into a nightstand or something like that. But, let's see, first thoughts, it's different. It's an interesting texture on there. It kind of feels like a matte texture. And, I mean, it's not bad. It's not fingerprinty, so it's fingerprint resistant. That's nice. Let's see on the logo itself. Yeah, even the logo is fingerprint resistant, so that's nice. And unless the light hits it, you can't really see it. Like right about there, look, you can't even see it's there, so that's kind of nice. It does have the titanium all around. I will say those rounded edges, that's really nice actually. Let's see, yeah, that feels good in the hand, and it is definitely lighter than my 13 Pro Max. Oh yeah, that's right. So we have an action button now next to the volume buttons. No more mute switch, but that's all right. And then right here, of course, we have our Type-C. It's gonna look the same as Lightning, but it's Type-C now. So cool. Let's go ahead and peel. Very nice. Love a good peel. And let's turn it on, shall we? Hold that guy down. And there we go. The boot up of the 15 Pro Max. Let's see, how fast is it gonna boot up? This is real time. This is how long it takes. It's taken a while. Oh, well, you probably won't see it on camera. Maybe you will. A little infrared flashing right there. And there we go. There is the phone with the dynamic island up there. So I haven't had a phone with one of those yet, but yeah, I mean, like I said, this is a super short and sweet opening here. What do we got? Don't need a physical SIM because it's all eSIM. Of course, you get an Apple sticker. I never use these. Anyone want some Apple stickers? But yeah, I mean, there we go. It's a phone. I don't do a lot of phone reviews on the channel or anything like that. But there we go. Choose your language, region, get all set up. And awesome. Default, medium, what is this? Oh, woo! You can really zoom in that stuff. But there you go. That is the iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing experience. They have really gone from being a crazy, like out of this world kind of unboxing experience to, yeah, you open it and there's a device in it. And there may even be something to plug it into something in there. And that's it. So, yeah, there's the unboxing for that part. All right, so there you have it, everyone. That is the unboxing of the phone. It took about probably 45 minutes to transfer everything from my old phone to the new one, but it's all there. It is ready to go, and I now have my 15 Pro Max all set up and working. I mean, it's It's definitely lighter, but it doesn't feel like a cheap toy or anything like that. I do like the texture on the back of it. That feels nice. The glass on the front, I mean, feels like an iPhone. I will say the rounded edges, those are really nice. They feel a lot more comfortable in the hand, especially because I hold my hand like this, or my phone like this, so it's always kind of digging in right there. And it's definitely nicer to hold it like that. I don't really know much about like using the dynamic island or anything like that on it because, as I said, I skipped the 14, but overall, I mean, very simple and straightforward unboxing experience, and now I just get to play with my new phone. So yeah. Now if you liked today's video and you want to check out another recent video, then go ahead and check out this box right here. And as always, I'm Game Dad. I thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you later.